What's up guys, it's Caravella. Welcome back to another workout. Today we're going to be doing a full body blast. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. No equipment needed, so go ahead and grab your yoga mat. But before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Also, if you haven't gotten your free ebook, it's in the description down below. Let's get into the workout. Starting off with squats, we're going to do 4 sets of 12. What you want to do is put your feet shoulder width apart and point your toes slightly outwards for a semi-sumo squat. And then we are going to squat down. Make sure you keep your back nice and straight and take it slow. Push up from your heels. This is all booty, guys. So let's get it. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. Baby, don't throw my love away. Moving into set 2, make sure you breathe nicely in and out as you go. I like to kind of semi-look up so that I can keep my form on point. Totally up to you though, you can look ahead as long as you keep your balance nice and straight. Still instigating things, fucking up another perfect night when all you ever did was treat me right. You love and everything that I needed. I know it won't be easy, but darling, please believe me when I say I'll change. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. It's a way to learn. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay. Moving into set 3. Baby, don't throw my love away. Last break here, you guys, and then we're going to get into our last set. All right, guys, last set, last 12. Let's get it. Great job. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest and then come down onto your mat. Next up, we have some old school fire hydrants. It's been a while since we've done this exercise, but it is a goodie. So come down on all fours and then you're going to lift your leg up, keep your knee bent, and we're really focusing on that side booty as well as those side obliques. We've got 3 sets of 15, so let's get it. No breaks here, you guys. Go ahead and switch sides. Nice job. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. Moving into set 2, make sure you're keeping your back nice and straight and flexing your core when you bring your legs up. Also, don't go too fast. You want to hold your leg up in the air for like maybe 1 second to really put the pressure on that booty, okay? Keep it up, guys. We're almost there. No breaks here, you guys. Go ahead and switch sides. Nice job. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. All right, moving into our last set, last 15. No breaks here, you guys. Go ahead and switch sides. Great job. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. Next, we're coming all the way down to the mat for lying back extensions. So lay all the way flat on your mat, extend your legs all the way out and your arms all the way forward, and then bring your body off the ground, bring your feet off the ground, and bring your upper body off the ground as far as you can up. You're kind of gonna look like a fish out of water or a dolphin or something. It looks funny, but it honestly feels so good on your back. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10, so let's get it. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. Moving into set 2, make sure you take this exercise nice and slow and really try to push your body up as much as you can. Try to get it up as much as you can. Flex those back muscles. Let's get it, you guys. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. All right, this is our last set, last 10. Great job. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. For this last exercise, we're going to be doing some butt bridges, 4 sets of 10. Bring your body into the bridge position. Let your arms like lay loosely next to you. And then bring your lower body, your butt, and your hips off the ground. And try to bring them off the ground as far as you can go. Keep your neck and your chin tucked in because it's just more comfortable. And squeeze those glutes every time you come up. We've got 4 sets of 10. Let's get it, guys. Great job. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. Moving into set 2, make sure you're squeezing those glutes, you guys. Keep your core nice and tight. Great job. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. Third set, we're almost there. Great job. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest. All right, this is our last set, you guys. Last 10. Push through it. Squeeze those glutes. Feel that burn.
Just like me, it's a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than back when we had it easy. And now you don't believe me when I say I'll share Just like me, still instigating things. Fucking up another perfect night when all you ever did was treat me right.
And that's the workout. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.